So
Okay.
don't worry. Okay. So the first thing is we did what we went to Amazon,
Yeah.
correct?
Yes, correct.
We went to Amazon and
An account.
we have created an account. Now, after creating the account, you need to search for something called EC2. Okay,
Okay.
EC2. EC2 is Elastic Cloud Compute. EC2's full form is Elastic Cloud Compute. So let us open a notepad and write few things in it. Okay. EC2 means what? EC2
Yes.
means
Cloud compute.
Elastic Cloud Compute.
Mhm.
So, any of you know the difference between virtual machine as well as physical machine? Physical machine and virtual machine. Do you know the difference? Yes or no?
Virtual machine is that Ubuntu.
Okay, not that. So,
Mhm.
physical machine utilizes the hardware that is wired to it. Okay, that is wired to it and runs an operating system. Okay,
Okay.
whereas virtual machine uses a portion of hardware that the host operating system is using so that it can work as an individual machine. But virtual machine is always dependent on host operating system or the host machine. So what happens? Let us see. Let us open the paper and discuss this. Okay. So first of all, you have a machine. Okay.
Okay.
Let us think that you have a machine. You have some hardware, you have some CPU, RAM, etc. You have a machine, you are running an operating system like Windows in it. Okay. Understood. Okay.
Yes.
So we are using something like Windows in it. Let us write Windows. Using Windows on it. So this is the physical machine. This is what we call physical machine, a regular machine. For example, your laptop is a physical machine.
Okay.
Now comes the virtual machine. What happens in virtual machine is there is physical machine, right?
Mm-hmm.
For example, this physical machine, let us say, is using 8 GB of RAM. Okay,
Okay.
8 GB of RAM. Um, 512 GB, 512 GB of hard disk HDD. Okay, and then a 4-core processor. Core processor. Okay, so we have this in this machine. This is a physical machine and this is running Windows.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now by using a hypervisor is a software like VMware. You can take 1 GB out of this RAM and take 1 GB out of this GB of RAM, 20 GB of hard disk, understanding?
Okay.
One core, one processor core, and make a machine. This machine can run any operating system like Ubuntu or something else. Okay, understood?
Okay.
This can run something like Linux or Ubuntu or any operating system you want.
So in, let's say in a laptop, you will have Windows and as well as Ubuntu is what you're telling me.
But you will be using a software like this. For example, there is a software called VMware here. See, this is the hypervisor software.
Okay.
You go into that software and make a machine like this.
Mm-hmm.
It this machine is sharing the hardware that is in the laptop and working as an individual machine. Understood?
Okay, just with the user account, you will be able to log into Windows, and with the other user account, you'll be able to log into the Ubuntu.
There is no window. There is no concept of logging in here. There is creation of accounts, creation of operating systems here. Okay. This
Okay.
operating system is entirely different from this operating system.
Okay, it's just that you're installing a software and that acts as a virtual machine.
Correct. Simple.
Okay.
This software is called hypervisor.
Okay.
This is called hypervisor. And inside that, you will be running an operating system.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
Got it? So
Yeah.
this operating system is completely dependent on the Windows operating system. If I clean this operating system, this will also be gone.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
So that is about virtual machine. So
Mm-hmm.
what does EC2 do? EC2 provides service in virtual machines on cloud. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
When we are calling it as cloud, cloud is somebody else's data center. Cloud is nothing but somebody else's data center. Understood? For example, I have 10,000 1 lakh server requirement. I want to spin these servers. For that, I need an infrastructure, right?
Mm-hmm.
I need a certain amount of RAM. I need a certain amount of processor, processing speed. I need a certain amount of hard disk, storage spaces, etc. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So where will I get it from? I'll get it from the data center usually. Correct?
Correct.
So I usually get it from the data center. So when the data center expense increases, people opted out for something called cloud. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
So now inside the cloud, if you want to run the servers or spin the servers, you have a service called EC2. Got
Mm-hmm.
it? So let us go to the EC2 and create a machine where we can run Linux for today. Okay.
Okay.
So first of all, you will go to the instances running. Okay. I already have a machine that is running. So let me terminate this one and let us create a new operating system. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
New thing. So first of all, you will not be having anything here when you came to the instances. Okay, when you click on the instances and come here, first thing you need to do is you go
That's
to the EC2, and after coming to the EC2, you will be going to the instances. In
instance.
the instances, there is a button called launch instances.
Instances.
You will click on that. Then you will name it. For example, I will give it as Red Hat. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you will select the type of operating system you want. Let us select Red Hat. Okay.
Okay.
Because Red Hat is 99% of the servers are running on Red Hat. So let us learn Red Hat. So Red Hat. After Red Hat, what will you do? You will check whether it is free tier or not. Free tier means 720 hours 720 hours per month it is free. 720 hours is 720 hours is 30 days. 30 days you will get free, and for 1 year you will be getting this instance for free. Even if you stop it, even if you don't stop it, you will not get any bill for 1 year. Okay.
Okay.
But always stop it. Okay. So free tier
Mm-hmm.
eligible or not, you need to check if it is free tier eligible, don't touch it.
Okay.
Then come down. It should be T3.micro and free tier eligible. Check this once again. Then you will create a key pair. Okay. This key pair is very important for you to log in. You will select .ppk, and then you will give something like Red Hat 1. Let us give create key pair. The key pair has been created. The key pair will be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, you come down, you don't do anything else and just launch the instance
Mm-hmm.
for now. What are the other options that we have in the EC2? We will discuss while we are discussing the AWS part. Currently, we are doing the Linux only. So let us spin the machine. That's all. Okay. So once you spin the machine, there will be a machine called Red Hat. Now you need to get connected to this machine, correct?
Okay.
There is a machine now on the cloud. Now you have to get connected to it, correct or not?
Correct.
So now you need to have a software called Putty. So do Putty download. Go to the Putty download and then download Putty and then come down and and get 64-bit exe. Okay, that will download here. Once the download is done, run it. Okay, you need to configure it. It will be next finish. I already have Putty. Let me remove the Putty and show it to you, otherwise no confusions. Control panel. Let me uninstall a program. Putty will be there, I guess. Putty, let me uninstall Putty and then show you again. Okay?
Okay.
Because you need to understand how to install it. Okay, Putty has been uninstalled, so let me install the Putty from exe. Oh no, it's not getting installed. Oh, it's still there. Okay, it needs a reboot, I guess. So let me use the installer. Okay, once the installer is here, let me go and do the installer login. Okay, now next, you'll just put next, you'll just install, and you will give yes. Once you give it, the installation will be completed. Got it? Nothing you have to do, just next finish. You don't have to worry about it.
Okay.
Then you will put Control R. You will put Windows plus R. Windows plus R to run, and then you will put Putty and OK. Then it will open Putty for you. Once the Putty is open, you need to copy the public IP address from here. Copy, and you need to paste it here. Okay. Then you have to come on to the SSH. This is the protocol. Secure shell is the protocol you need to follow. So SSH. Then you will come to the authorization. Auth means authorization, credentials, and you will browse the PPK which you have downloaded. This PPK, Red Hat 1 is the PPK I have downloaded. If you remember, correct?
Yeah.
Now you give this and just open. Accept, and you have to log in as EC2-user. This is the default user given to you to log in into your accounts. Okay.
Okay.
And then enter. Once you enter, you will be inside. Okay. Once you are inside, just do sudo su, which will give you the admin access for once. Once you got the admin access, set the password for Linux. Set the password for admin. Admin in Linux is called root. So PASSWD root. So set the password for this Linux 123 I'm giving. I know that it's a bad password, but still giving it. Okay. Once you have set password like that, your root account's password, your admin password will be set. From the next time you log in, you will just exit now and then exit again, and you will get out of the Putty. Next time you are logging in like this, Putty, you will be giving you will be giving the public IP address. Public IP address will be given here, SSH, then auth, then credentials, browse, Red Hat 1.ppk, open, login as EC2-user first. And then if you want to change to the root or the admin, you need to give SU space root. Okay. SU means substitute user to root. And then Linux 123 you will give as the password. And then you are in. Once you are in, if you want to check what version of Red Hat you are using, you need to give more/etc by Red Hat -release. This is the thing. So you can see Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.2 flow. Understood?
Okay.
I will stop it here. Just do it and come back tomorrow. From tomorrow, we'll start the Linux basics. Okay?
Now what do you want me to do?
I don't want to make it more and more complicated. It is all already recorded, so just follow it and do it. Okay?
Okay, you just
Questions?
want to create this Red Hat
Correct.
PPK.
PPK name can be anything. You can give any name, but you have to keep that PPK for the future purposes. Without PPK, you can't log in. Okay?
Okay. So now you just want me to create a instance that is
Correct.
empty.
I just want you to create an instance, download the putty, get connected to your instance,
Okay.
and then set the root password.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
If I take it more and more, it will get more and more complicated. So let us keep it like this for today. From tomorrow, you will be having 1 hour classes again. Okay?
Okay.
Sir,
Ask.
Swati here.
Yes, Swati.
Um, as I was not in the class yesterday, I have not yet got the recordings also, so I
Now
just want to know.
I'll tell you, Swati. Wait.
Huh.
So let me let me have a look. So
Mhm.
live some li is you, right? So
Elia.